Hello viewers, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you're coming here, I say very big welcome to you. I appreciate you all. As a matter of fact, I promised earlier that I would drop a video of 2 essential regular powders. Very essential regular powders. In other words, vital powders that you can use to make your black soap and some other oils as well, or any other product. Okay, so is a easy way that I want to explain this to you. We go deep about it. We go talk deep about it. All right, there are no other powder than regular powders, but the thing is they are just different breed of it. Okay, so this is Meka mango peel, and also this one is Meka orange peel. These two products, they are quite different from the ones normal orange peel and mango peel. This one, they are regular but essential, these two. And trust me, if you use them for soap, if you use them, now let me explain deeply one by one. First of all, we'll talk about this Meka orange peel. Now, Meka orange peel, I've already put every point details down that I want to explain to you, and I want you also to note them down so that you can see how vast they are. All right, very effective powder. Now, for those of us who do black soap, the thing is that the reason why our black soap doesn't lighten or whitening is that when we are making a black soap, what I always tell everyone to have in mind is that consider the people you want to reach and how would you reach them with the ingredient or the additives. Like for me, I want to reach everybody. I want to reach those who are much more lighter in complexion, like 7 shade. I want to reach those who are just 1 shade. All right, so in this method now, if I want to go to make my own black soap now, then I will consider the ingredient. What type of varieties will I use? Now, I would want to use the regular powder we know for orange peel, or I want to use regular powders for whitening. But like as I said, I want this to be organically. All right, so now I decide to use this Meka orange peel. All right, now this Meka orange peel have the tendency of getting you lighter, okay, getting you lighter or whitening you gradually and organically. This is not, I want you to listen, because if you listen, it helps both of us. Like what I told you, if you want to learn all these things, it's just a twinkle of an eye. All you just have to do, patient, not passion. When you say I have passion and you're not patient enough, so I want you to listen and assimilate everything, put them down. So now the details about this powder now, it lighten you or brighten you or whiten you organically and gradually due to the citric acid in it. So this one also has citric acid in it. Orange normally, basically orange have citric acid, so it helps to lighten, which helps to lighten the body. It helps whether you put any other powder or not, so long this is what you'll be using. Consistency, yes. All right, consistency, it will lighten you or brighten you or whiten you. Consistency, all right, because there is citric acid in it, which help us to lighten. That is we talk about that. Then again, it helps to reduce. It helps to really reduce pigmentation. Such as dark spot, yes, such as dark spots, scars, and all that, and to give you this effect, youthful radiant. Yes, okay, it will give you this youthful radiance. So in all to say, it helps to make your skin unique. All right, so when you put it inside your black soap, it helps the skin look unique. The truth is consistency. Those of us who making black soap, so when you set your goals across from shade 1 to 7 or above, you cannot see your priority right now. You cannot see it lies on this powder because of its potential or potency. Are you getting it? It's organically. So I, for one, I believe that if you use a lot of organic powders that lightens, that contains the whitening or lightening agent in them, it works. All right. Than when you try to put butane, try to put glutathione, you try to put, it will work. All right. But it should be that the base itself have the tendency of making people, lighten people, taking you from one color to another. All right, so when you put every other powder now, it can now speed up, it cannot enhance. But me and you, I know, make I tell you the truth, me and you know a lot of people, they don't even know what black soap is. They don't even know how to promise the black soap to lighten someone. Me and you, we know. All right. So I would want to tell you, I'm breaking this video down. The other, if you want to know about the Meka mango peel, you should watch the other clip. All right. So now, this tendency that this powder has, it should be the base. That's why when I ask the question, what did you use for your base? It becomes, you know, kind of like, what is he saying? What did he use for a base? Say I use black soap now. All right. So if the black soap that like we know black soap is organic, but what did he use as your base powder? If it's not lightening agent, it becomes difficult to spark them up. All right, we know, like, so that I put glutathione, I put this, I put thiamidol, I put all the powders, you know, I put lemon peel, you might decide to put all the necessary powders, you know, but what are your base? So I tell you this, take it or you leave it. If you're making soap, let your base, some of your base, let it be natural lightening. All right. So the truth is that if you know deeply about all these things, it helps. Now I'm about talking on the other powder, but it will be on the next episode. So for you, if you're looking for original powders, original, that you know you want your soap to work, even though you're making shower gel, you can still use them. It's how your formula, your additives, let it contain some natural lightening. So when it contains all these things, no matter what it is, it will work. All right. So I will end this video here. On the other episode, I will talk about the Meka mango peel. All right. So don't forget, we ship everywhere. We have nice product, hot cake now, and we are doing our promo. We've extended the promo.